Good morning, dear children. I hope you are doing well. Today we will start chapter number 2, that is sole proprietorship and joint Hindu family business. Let's see the meaning of sole proprietorship. Children, sole proprietor. Sole, the one. Proprietor, the person who starts a business, who runs a business, who carries on the business. So, sole proprietorship is that form of business where one person, a single individual, he owns, manages, and controls the business. This form of organization provides self employment to the person himself. The size of business depends on the amount which a businessman invests in his business. The person is a sole proprietor. He is single-handedly managing all the affairs of the business. He himself is financing, controlling, and managing the business. So, size of business is generally smallest as compared to any other form of business where more persons can be there. But if a person is starting sole proprietorship and he has huge funds with him to start a business, the business will be started on a larger scale. But if the person is starting a sole proprietorship and he has a very nominal amount of money with him, then his business will be on a smaller scale. So a person who is handling a business on a larger scale, that person has invested a huge sum of money, that person will also be called a sole proprietor. And at the same time, if a person has started business with a very smaller sum of money, a meager sum of money, for example, a person has started a business only for 10,000 rupees or maybe 5,000 or 1,000 rupees, that person will also be a sole proprietor. Let's take example of vegetable hawker. The vegetable hawker goes to the wholesale market. From there, he purchases vegetable for 1,000 rupees and then he sells this vegetable for rupees 1,500. So his investment was 1,000 rupees and his revenue was 1,500. That means he has earned a profit of 500 by investing 1,000 rupees. He will also be called a sole proprietor. The person who is running, who is financing, controlling, and managing the business on his own. Let's see the keywords of sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is a form of business that is owned, managed, controlled by an individual. It is a one-man show. Children, sole proprietorship is that form of business which is owned, managed, and controlled. That means the person is the owner of the business, he is a manager of the business, he himself is controlling the business. It is essential to write all three keywords: owned, managed, and controlled. Now, who is the owner, manager, and controller of this form of organization? An individual, a sole individual, one person only. It is a one-man show. That is, only one person is looking after the business and he can take his business on any heights on the basis of his skills, his capabilities.